If your Ariba account is an enterprise account, you could go directly to supplier.ariba.com and enter your user ID and password. From your enterprise account, you could submit your invoice directly in Ariba. Click on Orders and Purchase Orders. Please note that OPG does not issue contracts and we do not allow invoicing against contracts. So if you select contracts, you won't be able to submit your invoice. From here, you could scroll down the list of all your purchase orders that have been issued to you from OPG and your other suppliers. However, if you want to search for a specific purchase order, click on Search Filters and type in the purchase order number. Be sure to click Exact Number to limit the criteria. Select the purchase order and click Create Invoice. Standard Invoice covers almost all scenarios of invoice submission with OPG. Please enter your invoice number. It must be in all uppercase letters. OPG does not accept dashes or any special characters in the invoice number. Once you've entered the invoice number, enter the invoice date. Make sure you backdate this as required. In the tax ID field, enter your government tax ID. If no tax, enter not applicable. In this category, you will select the tax. The tax typically defaults in from the purchase order. However, if you need to change it, select it from the drop-down. On the right-hand side, you'll see the taxable amount. That is calculated by Ariba based upon the tax category. There should be no need to enter anything in that field. For a service invoice, you must attach a copy, a backup, for the invoice approver to review. Choose the file that you want to attach and click Add Attachment. Once you click Add Attachment, you will see that the attachment has been uploaded in Ariba below. Now you're ready to select the lines that you want to invoice. Click on the checkbox for the line that you want to invoice and then click Create. The quantity is always 1. And the unit price is the pre-tax value for that line that you wish to be paid for. Once you've entered that, click on Create. On the top right-hand corner of the screen, click on Next. Your invoice process is almost finalized. Click on Submit after you've reviewed this screen for accuracy. And once you click on Submit, the invoice has been submitted to OPG successfully.